Hi, we are the team number 2 and we are going to explain the Charles Law.
The law statement. Charles' law states that at constant temperature, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. What this means? This means that when the temperature of a gas increases, its volume also increases. In the same way, when temperature decreases, the volume also decreases.
This happens because gas particles are always moving. If temperature increases, volume increases. If temperature decreases, volume decreases.
This law have its own formula, which is volume 1 over temperature 1 equals volume 2 over temperature 2.
Well, for this law we have one constant, that is the pressure constant, and well, because it's a constant it will not change, and we have the temperature and the volume.
Hello, my name is Agent Giovanni and I will be explaining the measures and units used in this stage. Firstly, we will start with volume, that is represented with a V, an uppercase V, and also cubic centimeters, that is represented as cm3. Now, we have also used liters, that is represented with an uppercase L, to measure these formulas correctly. Also, when it comes to temperature, we have been using the Kelvin, meaning that all the formulas in the Charles law will have to be done with the Kelvin unit of measure. Thank you.
That I made, that is this one, that is we have nitrogen gas, and that is keeping a constant pressure, and we have the volume and the two temperatures. The first volume is 25 centimeters cubic centimeters, and the temperature one is 75 Celsius, 348 Kelvin. The second temperature is 15 Celsius, 288 Kelvin, and we need to find the final volume, that will be volume 2. And to do this, we use practically replace the what we have in the formula, and well, we get that we have here, that is 25 plus 288 over 348, and the result is to 20.7 centimeters cubic centimeters. And well, that's practically it for my part.
So let's solve the second problem. A gas is kept at constant pressure. The first volume we have is 2.0 liters. The first temperature that we have is 300. The second temperature we have is 450. We need to find the final volume, that it's the second volume. So to resolve this problem, it's gonna be that first we are going to substitute with the formula, and the final answer is 3.0 liters. So now we are going to say an example of a real life. So we put the balloon example. So when the balloon heated, the balloon expands. When the balloon cooled, the balloon shrinks. This happens because the gas inside reacts to temperature changes.
This formula also helps us calculate the change in volume of a gas when the temperature changes. For example, when a balloon is heated, the gas inside expands, so the volume increases. In this law, the pressure is constant while the volume and temperature are the one who changes.
Thank you for listening.